Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add eggs. Whisk eggs until smooth. Add cooking oil. Add onions. Add cumin. Fry until golden brown. Add red chilies. Add salt to taste. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Add green chilies. Add tomatoes. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Add fresh coriander or cilantro. Mix well and continue cooking. Add whisked eggs. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Separate eggs from sides. Flip eggs to change sides. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Cut eggs into bite-sized chunks. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Garnish with tomatoes, green chilies, fresh coriander or cilantro. Scrambled eggs are ready. Enjoy as is or serve with toast or paratha. Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.